Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So how's your quarantine going on? Today I thought to discuss on complete blood count. It is a basic investigation and a very important topic to start hematology. Complete blood count is a basic investigation which gives you the information about RBCs, WBCs and platelets. The first heading is RBC. In RBCs, it tells you about the RBC count and the hemoglobin. Now, what is RBC count? RBC counts tells you or it gives you the estimation about the total number of red blood cells which are present in the sample of blood. Again, I'm repeating, it gives you the estimation of total number of red blood cells present in the sample of blood. You have to know the normal range of RBC count, which range is from 4.7 to 6.1 million cells per micron liter. I'm focusing again on the unit. It is million cells per microliter. The next thing which comes is hemoglobin. You all know very well what is hemoglobin. It is an iron containing oxygen transport metalloprotein. The normal value in males is from 13 to 16 gram per deciliter and in females it is 12 to 15 gram per deciliter. The value varies in different books, the value varies, but according to WHO, the male and female value is this. You all know if hemoglobin is less, the condition is termed as anemia, which I will discuss in further videos. After knowing RBC count and hemoglobin, it is very important to know about red cell indices. The red cell indices are very important for any anemia. The first thing is mean corpuscular volume. What is MCV? It represents the size of red cells. Again, I am repeating. The mean corpuscular volume gives you the size of red cells. And according to this mean corpuscular volume, you can also divide anemia into three types, which is microcytic, macrocytic, and normocytic. Microcytic means the size of your red blood cells is decreased. The normocytic means the size is normal. And the macrocytic, you all know very well the example of macrocytic anemia, which is seen in vitamin B12 and folic acid deficiency, in which the size of RBCs increases. So that will be represented or that estimation is done by this important investigation, mean corpuscular volume. The second red blood cell indices is MCH and MCHC. These are mean corpuscular hemoglobin and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. These both denotes or these both gives the estimation of red cell hemoglobinization. In short, how much hemoglobin is present in those red blood cells. The third important indices is red cell distribution width, also known as RDW. It provides estimation of size difference of RBCs. If your RDW is low, which it means that all the red blood cells are having the same size or there is uniform distribution of all the RBCs present in the given blood sample. And if RDW is increased, it means there is variation in RBC size. The next important index is reticulocyte count. It is very important, also known as retic count, and it estimates how fast RBCs are made in the bone marrow. The normal value of reticulocyte count in adults is 0.5 to 2.5%, whereas in infant, we know there is more production of RBCs, so the retic count is 2 to 6%. This is very important to understand that reticulocyte count is the most important investigation which is done in iron deficiency anemia. even after the treatment of iron deficiency anemia, the important investigation used for prognosis is the reticulocyte count. If retic count increases, it means your anemia is improving. The next is hematocrit. Hematocrit gives you the ratio of volume of RBCs. Again, I'm repeating. It gives you the ratio of volume of RBCs or your red blood cells to total volume of blood. The normal value of hematocrit in females is 45 to 52%, and in males it is 37 to 48%. So these are different red blood cell indices which are included in your complete blood count. Now, after knowing about RBC count, the second thing is the WBC count. Now, WBC count gives you the estimation of total number of WBCs which are present in the given sample of blood. And the normal value is from 4,000 to 11,000 cells per microliter. The next estimation is of percentage of various WBCs present, which gives you the estimation of the percentage of neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, macrocytes, T and B lymphocytes. I'm not here explaining or I'm not here telling you the normal values of this, but we also get to know about the percentage of neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, macrocytes, T and B lymphocytes in complete blood count. The third one is the platelet count. The normal platelet count ranges from 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 cells per microliter. And what is thrombocytopenia and what is thrombocytosis? Thrombocytopenia is the decreased platelet count, which is less than 1,50,000, and thrombocytosis is the increased platelet count, which is 4,50,000 or above, the count above than 4,50,000 cells per microliter. So, in short, in any anemia, if someone asks you to investigate or what are the investigations you will like to do, and when you write CBC, this is the way you should answer in the exam. First is RBC, second WBC, and the third platelet count. In RBCs, then you give the heading the RBC count, hemoglobin, and the red cell indices, which are MCV, MCH, MCHC, RDW, and hematocrit. WBC, in which there are two headings, WBC count and percentage of different WBCs, which are neutrophil, eosinophil, basophils. And the last and not the least, the platelet count. This is how you should write in the exam, the investigation or the CBC. And if someone asks you what are the things included in CBC, this is the way you should answer. I hope this video is useful. It is not very good video. I tried to make it in a nice way, but I hope it will help you. And in next video, I will tell you about the various anemias and what are the derangements in these CBC values. Until then, thank you.